Yeah, what's happening, man? You playing Mario 1, huh?
Yeah, sir.
What's Super Mario World 1?
Yeah.
Your
turn.
Alright.
What's the way you don't sit?
Okay.
Oh, you can sit over here.
Alright. Alright. Okay.
What happened to the screen?
Nothing.
Why not showing?
Oh, don't worry about that.
You broke the screen, bro?
No.
Why you don't got the screen on it?
Because I don't know. I'm not working like that.
Oh my goodness. You gotta have the screen on for a selfie. That way you can see what you're doing.
What? Reach me a camera. All right. This the camera that you gave me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Super Mario World 1. How many of y'all remember this? I know I do, and I still have it. Look at that. If you buy these, you gonna do an unboxing on it?
Mm-hmm.
All right then.